I went to start a nonprofit for completely different reasons. And as I got into the process, I learned what an absolute nightmare it is, how difficult it can be for nonprofit founders. It's way harder than starting a regular corporation. And I remember being really morally outraged and angry about it. And I couldn't understand at first why I was so agitated about this. And it dawned on me the next day that this was a direct impediment to people like those people who wanted to help my sister and start Special Olympics or do anything. They should not be punished for wanting to do something that's actually good for the world. And every business presents value, right? It's just a different type of value. And so I just said something, really should change about this. And that sort of led me on this down the rabbit hole, as they say. And here I am.